There's something called consequences, the accountability.
10 counts of abandoning or endangering a child are listed in the indictment for former Uvalde CISD Police Chief Pete Arredondo. Each count names a child survivor, saying Arredondo, quote, by act and omission, intentionally, knowingly, recklessly, and with criminal negligence, place them in imminent danger of bodily injury, death, physical impairment, and mental impairment.
I think it's a really strong message, not just to the community of Uvalde, but any law enforcement officer, that you cannot hide behind immunity.
The indictment accuses Arredondo of failing to identify the incident as an active shooter, instead calling SWAT, which caused delays. It also claims he failed to follow the active shooter plan developed by the school district by not establishing a command center and by prioritizing evacuation of students over stopping the shooter. It took 77 minutes for officers to enter a classroom and confront the shooter. Last month, families of the victims announced they had reached a $2 million settlement with the city and would be moving forward with lawsuits against the state and local officials.
These were the last lines of defense for these children, but they were failed long before the shooting.
In a statement shared with Fox 7, a Uvalde CISD spokesperson said, as with the rest of the Uvalde community, we have only just learned about the grand jury decision regarding 2 indictments being issued. We have no information separate from what is being reported by the media. As we have done and continue to do, we extend our sincerest sympathies to all who lost loved ones. Our hearts go out to everyone affected by this challenging situation. State Senator Roland Gutierrez, who represents Uvalde, released a statement in response calling for DPS to also be held accountable, saying in part, the top law enforcement agency in the state of Texas must answer for grave errors in judgment and for lying every single day to the public about how the massacre unfolded. Fox 7 reached out to DPS for comment and has not heard back. Arredondo was booked into Uvalde County Jail Thursday and released on bond. Another former school district police officer, Adrian Gonzales, has also been named in an indictment and turned himself in on Friday. He is facing 29 counts of abandoning or endangering a child.
I would hope that they take the high road and that they take the accountability and that they're honest and truthful, and that's the only thing that's going to bring healing to the families and to the community.